Hello everyone. I Rajni welcome you all in YTS study time. Hope you all are fit and fine at your place with your family member. So let's start future perfect continuous tense. So in this video I am going to start your new tense series. It is last future perfect continuous tense. Okay, in this form the perfect is also here, continuous is also here, and the future is also here. So let's see the helping verb of future. We know that it is will and shall. And what about the perfect? Perfect have. Yes, in the continuous we use be, here we have to use en again. So it is be. And one more thing from the continuous, that is first form of the verb and add ing with the verb. So basically this is the format of future perfect continuous tense. So let's move with affirmative. Before starting affirmative, I want to tell you that how we can recognize it. आखिर हम इसको पहचानेंगे कैसे कि ये future perfect continuous tense है. In English, there are the verb, helping verb, will, shall, have, and then been. Okay, and first form of the verb ing, and since and for there. But in Hindi, वाक्य के अंत में रहा होगा, रही होगी, रहे होंगे. Then you have one question in your mind कि continuous में भी तो रहा होगा, रहे होंगे, रही होगी होता है. तो बट इन परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस यहाँ पर समय भी होता है, टाइमिंग भी होती है. फॉर दैट वी यूज सिंस एंड फॉर. ओके, सिंस वी यूज फॉर एग्जैक्ट टाइम एंड फॉर वी यूज फॉर ड्यूरेशन ऑफ द टाइम. ओके, सो जैसे कि मैं आपको एक सेंटेंस देती हूँ कि पिताजी सुबह से अखबार पढ़ रहे होंगे. दैट इज योर इमेजिनेशन कि हाँ वो अखबार पढ़ रहे होंगे, या वो खाना खा रही होगी, या वो खाना पका रही होगी. दिस क्योंकि ये फ्यूचर है तो इट कैन बी ओनली इमेजिन, हम इमेजिन ही कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो लाइक आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू द रूल. अफर्मेटिव रूल सबसे पहले हमारा आता है सब्जेक्ट. ओके, देन हेल्पिंग वर्ब, विल है और शैल है. देन we use be, have. फिर हम perfect form यूज करेंगे. then we use been first verb, फिर हम ing यूज करेंगे और at last whatever the object is there. like example, पिताजी सुबह से अखबार पढ़ रहे होंगे. तो सबसे पहले हमने क्या लिया? फादर. फादर विल हैव बीन. देखिए, विल हैव बीन फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब, रीड का रीडिंग. फादर विल हैव बीन रीडिंग. व्हाट ही इज रीडिंग? न्यूज़पेपर. न्यूज़पेपर कब से? सिंस मॉर्निंग. One thing I left in the rule, after first form of the verb we have to use since and for, and after that object. Okay, so again look at the rule. Subject will have or shall have been. Will have been, shall have been. First form of the verb ing, since for the time. Since is for exact time, for is for duration of time, and then object. Example is there, पिताजी सुबह से अखबार पढ़ रहे होंगे. Father will have been reading newspaper since morning. So let's move with negative. Before starting the negative, I would like to tell you the rules of the negative. Subject will, shall, not, have, been. First form of the verb ing, since, for and object. Okay, so let's start to make this as an example. वे सुबह से नहीं पढ़ रहे होंगे. We imagine this. Sometime your parents are not at home and they were just thinking कि वे सुबह से पढ़ ही नहीं रहे होंगे, खेल ही रहे होंगे. Yes, so this is the sentence. वे सुबह से पढ़ नहीं रहे होंगे. So first subject. According to subject we have to will or shall. So will, they will not have been. What they will not have been doing? Studying. They will not have been studying since morning. So this is the negative. Now move on interrogative. Now in interrogative rule is will, shall, helping verb. Then we use subject, have, been. First form of the verb ing, since, for. Since and for. Object and question. Okay. So this is the example. क्या अध्यापक कक्षा में 2 घंटे से पढ़ा रहे होंगे? So क्या अध्यापक. First we use will, teacher. Will teacher have been? Will teacher have been teaching? Will teacher have been teaching? Sorry. Will teacher have been teaching? For teaching in the class. Teaching in the class for 2 hours. For 2 hours. And end with question mark. Remember this thing. Interrogative sentence always end with question mark. Let's revise once again affirmative, negative and interrogative. Now let's revise. Affirmative. Rule is subject will, shall, have, been. First form of the verb ing, since, for and object. Example is वे सुबह से खेल रहे होंगे. They will have been playing since morning. Negative. Subject will have, shall have, will not have, shall not have been. First form of the verb ing, since, for, object. Example is वे सुबह से नहीं खेल रहे होंगे. They will not have been playing since morning. Interrogative. Will, shall, subject, have, been. First form of the verb ing, object, since, for and then question mark. Object and then question mark. Example is क्या वे सुबह से खेल रहे होंगे? Will they have been playing since morning? So my dear students, hope I am able to make you understand future perfect continuous tense. Hope you like it. If you like this video, please like it, share it and subscribe it. And at last, leave a small comment because your comments give us motivation to make the videos. Thank you once again.